Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to focus on adding fractions with like denominators. So when the denominators are different, it's a little bit tricky, but when you're adding fractions that have the same denominator, it's actually very simple. Steps for this are just like the steps for adding whole numbers. The only difference is whatever the denominator is, aka whatever the bottom number is, that stays the same. So for 1/4 plus 2/4, we go to the numerator, we're going to add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And our denominator stays the same. So since our denominator is 4 for both fractions, it's going to be 4 in our answer. 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. 3/7 plus 2/7. So again, we add 3 plus 2, just as if we're adding any whole number. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And because our denominator is the same for both fractions, it's going to stay the same in the answer. So in short, adding fractions with like denominators is just like adding whole numbers, except that the bottom number in the fraction stays the same. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Huge shout out to everybody that's requested a video already. And please continue to do so. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Well, actually, since we have some people that just came into the chat, I'll do a few more examples. Shout out to everybody that just tuned in. Please hit that like button, I appreciate you. All right. 1/8 plus 9/8. So again, we are working with fractions that have the same denominator. So when we're working with fractions that have the same denominator, it is just like adding whole numbers. The only difference is the denominator stays the same, and that holds true whether we're dealing with proper fractions or improper fractions. So here we're going to add 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Since our denominator, our bottom number is 8, we keep that the same, and our answer is 10/8. Now for this answer, it is not in lowest terms. There is a way to simplify it and reduce it to lowest terms, but I saved that for, that's a separate video. As of right now, we're going to leave the answer as is. And I'm going to end this video with one final problem. We're going to call it a day. All right. So 4/9 plus 3/9. 4/9 plus 3/9. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Our denominator stays the same. And we have our final answer. 4/9 plus 3/9 equals 7/9. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. Again, I was going to call it a video, but to show my appreciation for everybody tuning in, I'm going to keep going. Three 11s plus 7 11s. So we add our numerators. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Our denominator stays the same. Our denominator is 11 for both fractions. so it stays the same in the answer. 3 11ths plus 7 11ths equals 10 11ths. Alright, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, remember to leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.